Hello everybody. So today we will be learning how to make a balloon out of paper. So the first step is you take this corner and you put it over here. Make sure there's a little extra space for this big rectangle. Ready? Okay. Now you flip it over and you put it like this. You fold it right where that little line is, and then you get some scissors and cut off the big rectangle. Okay, and then you open it back up, and you see this big line right here? You're gonna grab one of the corners, cut them all the way to the other one. And then you open it back up, and you see these two lines right here? These two? So you're gonna flip it over like this, kind of looks like a tent. You're gonna grab these two and fold them down like this, make sure they're touching, and flip it over right there, and then do it back all the way down. And then you do the same thing to this side. Okay, now you put these triangles in, and then you put this big one down. Okay, and you see there's like two triangles, so you get the top one, and you put this where that little thing is on the top right here, and then you do that to this side too. And then when you're done with that, you flip it over and do the same thing. Now, there's these little corners right here. Right, you see this line? There's these little corners. And make sure they're not touching, because we don't want to mess our balloons up. Okay? So, like this, and then there's two more corners right here. Flip it over, and then we do the same thing to this side. And then it looks like this. So, you open it up, and then you look on the back, and there should be a little hole right here. And then you blow into it. And then it becomes a balloon. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.